video viewers. I hope that you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. So right now, actually, I have come here on the rooftop of my house. So actually, I have come here in order to make a video. You know that every day I try to make some videos and I try to share some tips and tricks in my video because of there are a lots of fans and followers. They are learning English from my video. So hope that this video will be for you. So if you want to learn English, definitely you have to practice English every day and try to learn some tongue twister for getting fluency in your speech. Okay, so you can see there is some bottle nut in front of me. Here you can see. So these are actually leaves and these are branches. Okay, now you can see there is a jackfruit tree behind me, but there is no any jackfruit at this moment. Okay, another thing is I will show you today. Okay, look at there. This is red spinach. Red spinach, and there is another tree that is brinjal. Brinjal, you can see, and tomato. Okay, tomato, you can see. Okay,